I think if I could offer one piece of advice to people starting off in business or people who are just starting out, it would be to commit to consistency. If I were to go back 5 years and tell you, what we do now is just totally different than what we did then, I'd be lying. Like, what we do now is exactly the same as what we did then. We just have more knowledge. I just know more of what's possible, and I didn't realize that in business, just like in your financial life, the little wins you have compound, and with time, as time goes on, they just compound and compound and compound, and they get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And if I was to give you or give myself some piece of advice, it would be just to continue to show up every day. Trust the process. Put in the work. Don't necessarily measure the results, although they are important. Be more committed to the process than the end result, because if you continue with the process, the results will come.